Hello guys, I'm Himanshu Rawat and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn and Crack Ethical Hacking. In this video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 useful CMD tricks that will help you to work faster and get the most useful information about your PC. So let's get started. First, you have to open the command prompt giving the administrative access to it, and one of the most useful thing that you can do using CMD is encrypting your sensitive data. Suppose you want to encrypt one of your folder in the local disk E, just click on the top of the folder path and type CMD. This will open the folder path in the command prompt terminal. Then you have to type the command cipher space slash E. E denotes encryption of data. Just by hitting enter, as you can see, all the folders containing in the local disk E are going to be encrypted. These folders will be normal for you to open, but whenever any other user try to access over this folder, he will not be able to get the access over it. So, but if you want to decrypt all the files in the local disk key, then you have to type cipher D. D denotes decryption. Just another most useful CMD trick is to hide folders even if the hidden item option is checked in your PC. To hide any folder, simply go to the folder that you want to hide. Suppose I want to hide a folder downloads in my local disk E. Just click on the folder path and type CMD. This will open the path of the terminal, and now you have to type the command attrib plus H plus S plus R and the name of the folder that you want to hide. Suppose I want to hide the folder downloads, then you have to type the name of the folder downloads and just hit enter. As you can see, the downloads folder is hidden from the local disk E folder. Even if you check the hidden item box, you will not be able to get the folder. But now if you want to get back that folder, you have to type the same command, but you have to change the signs to minus. Just by changing the signs to minus, you will be able to get back that folder. As you can see, the folder came back. Next most useful command is SFC, Save File Checker. It is a relatively new addition to command prompt to keep the computer clean and bug free. For this command, just go to command prompt and type the command SFC space slash scan now. It will start verifying the integrity of all protected system files, and it will also repair the damaged files wherever possible. As you can see, the beginning system is scan. It will take some time. It depends upon the how much files and folder that your computer contains. As you can see, beginning verification phase of system scan, and whenever the verification will be 100% complete, all the data of the viruses or any error will be displayed in this command prompt. Next most useful command is to create a hotspot using your command prompt. For that, you have to type the command nets wlan set hosted network mode is equal to allow SSID, then name of your Wi-Fi network. For example, my hosted network is Himanshu, and key, the password for your hotspot network. Suppose I want to be Himanshu as well. As you will hit the enter, the hosted network will be created. As you can see, has been successfully changed. Now you have to type the command to start your hosted network. Nets WLAN start hosted network. Now the hosted network will be started. As you can see, the hosted network is started. Now you can connect this hosted network in your Android mobile phone or any Wi-Fi capable device. To stop the hosted network, you have to type the same command and just type nets WLAN stop hosted network. It will stop the hosted network. By using this command, you can create a free hotspot using your command. Next command is very useful in the command prompt. This command is used to see the all saved Wi-Fi access point passwords in your PC. To use that, you have to type the command nets WLAN show profiles. Profiles means all the access points that are saved in your PC. Suppose I want to see the password of the access point at the rate Himanshu. You have to type the command nets WLAN should show profile, name of the access point that you want to see at the rate Himanshu, key is equal to clear. This will show the all the information about this hosted network or Wi-Fi access point, as you can see, and the key contained, as you can see, the Wi-Fi password is 8 times at the rate. By using this command, you can see all the saved Wi-Fi passwords in your PC that you put it once on your PC, and all the wireless network password that once put it in your PC is saved into the computer. Thanks for watching video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like this video, share this video.